Have you ever wondered how we went from scratching silent lines onto smoked glass in 1857 to AI soundscapes today? It all started in France when Edouard Léon Scott de Martinville invented the phonograph to draw sound waves. 20 years later, Thomas Edison changed history with his phonograph, letting a machine actually speak back to us using a tinfoil cylinder. By 1887, Emil Berliner introduced the flat disc gramophone, laying the foundation for modern music. As technology advanced, Valdemar Poulsen introduced the telegraphone in 1898, recording telephone conversations magnetically onto a fine steel wire. That wire soon evolved into plastic magnetic tape on the 1935 magnetophone, giving audio engineers the power to cut and edit sound with a razor blade. Then came Philips' 1963 compact cassette, putting portable music right in our pockets. The digital era arrived in 1982 with the compact disc, replacing analog wear and tear with clean binary code. Today, we are living through the AI audio revolution, where advanced machine learning can generate, isolate, and compose entire soundscapes in seconds. From a needle on soot to AI creation, sound recording has truly changed our world. And that is just a glimpse of the journey. To dive deeper into the full history and see every invention in detail, make sure to check out the long full video right here on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.